Wally Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Wally are in the description below. Wally is a sleek and intuitive budgeting app designed for users who want a straightforward approach to tracking their personal finances. It's ideal for individuals who prefer simplicity over complex features, but still want a powerful tool to manage their budget. Whether you're managing a household budget or tracking your spending for personal goals, Wally offers all the basic features you need to stay on top of your finances. One of the app's standout features is its easy-to-use expense tracking system. Wally allows you to log your expenses quickly by either manually entering them or scanning receipts, making it a fast way to stay on top of where your money is going. It also supports multi-currency transactions, which is particularly useful for travelers or those who make international purchases. The app's smart categorization feature automatically organizes your spending into predefined categories, making it easy to see exactly where your money is going. Wally also excels in budgeting. You can set specific spending limits for each category and monitor your progress in real time. The app provides visual insights into your budget, allowing you to track both income and expenses effortlessly. Notifications are sent when you're nearing your budget limits, helping you stay within your financial goals. This feature ensures that you won't overspend in any particular category, providing useful alerts when necessary. Another unique feature of Wally is its goal-setting function. You can create savings goals, track your progress, and get motivated as you get closer to reaching your targets. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a major purchase, or just building an emergency fund, Wally's goal tracking helps you stay focused and organized. For those looking for a budgeting app that's simple yet effective, Wally is a fantastic choice. It's straightforward, easy to use, and provides all the essential features for managing your finances. Check the description below for more details and links to download the app.